and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. Gardening can be a bit tricky sometimes, and just a little bit of help can turn a troubled garden around. So let's keep those gardens on track. And our question today comes from Rita. She lives in East Texas. So Rita's question is, how do you keep your sweet cats out of your container or raised bed gardens, especially while the seeds are sprouting and growing? You know, I love cats. We have 5 of them, but I do not love them in my raised beds. Cats can be a really big problem when it comes to the raised bed gardens. So I've tried many things over the year, but the cat guards have worked the best, and they also work to keep the chickens from digging up the gardens too. Okay, so here's what we use for cat guards. So we have 2 different styles. So this is called cement mesh. So if you go to the lumber yard and let's say you want to lay a pad of cement down, they'll have this wire there, and you can see it's about 6-8 inches across here. And what you do with these is you do this in the beginning when your beds are empty, and you just lay this down over the garden, and you put that in the very beginning, and then the plants, they'll grow right up through it, and you can just leave that in the garden the whole season. It's a little hard to add now after the plants are big, but you can put those on right in the beginning. You can also, at the end of the season, when you take your garden out, you can lay these on just to keep the cats out. The other model that we have, this is just some bench wire from the greenhouse, and as you can see, the squares are about 2 inches by 3 inches. This works equally as well. You can just lay it down on the garden, and when the seeds are small and the plants, they'll grow right up through it. You can mulch right over the top of it. But what we find is that the cats, they can't dig, and the chickens can't dig, and it's really saved us a lot of heartache with the cats and the chickens over the years, or with our gardens. So really inexpensive, easy fix for cats and chickens digging up your garden. So if you have a garden question that you would like answered, please click on the link below this video to submit your question. And if you'd like to learn more about high performance gardening and want to see us grow a whole season of vegetables week by week for 33 weeks, then sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. So in the show, we follow a high-performance garden from seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. And this is the best insider's look at watching everything that we do with the vegetable plants week by week, all season long. We even show you a professional trellising system that you can use for your garden. So the show, it's free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show to sign up, or click on the link below this video. So I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more high-performance gardening information, and submit your garden questions so that you can get the answers that you need. So until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.